Hey y'all, it's Tamara Michelle. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys have been well. So in today's video, it is the day after Thanksgiving. We hosted Thanksgiving here. So I really just need to get the house back in order. So I'm going to show you some areas that I'm going to be working on just to offer up some motivation for you guys to get up and get something done around your home. If you are new here, welcome to my channel. I post videos like DIYs, cleaning, home stuff, decorating, hair. So my channel is just kind of like a hodgepodge of Tamara Michelle. So I don't vlog over here. I do vlog on my family vlog channel, FosterVision Vlog. I will list it here, and also it will be linked in my description box if you guys want to check it out. So if you are not new, thank you so much for coming back for another video. So let's get right into it, y'all. So I'm going to start in the family room. Well, I don't have a whole lot to do, just to pick up a little bit, dust and vacuum in here. I will not be taking down the fall stuff today. That will be in another video. Undecorate with me and clean with me. So I'll be doing that in preparation for Christmas. So that's all I really have to do in here. Moving into the dining room. This was the dessert table for yesterday. I just need to put the desserts in the kitchen. Get the tablecloth cleaned up and washed. It's a portable table under here. I need to take it down. It's a box from yesterday. I need to get rid of it. And then kind of just clean the table off and sweep in here. And then in here, which is going to be kind of tough because I still have some of my sister's crock pots and stuff like that from yesterday. There's Josh. So I just need to get rid of the tablecloth, clean the table off. These are all clean. I did wash these late last night, so I need to just find a place to put them. She'll be picking those up on Saturday. Today is Friday, of course. And then, of course, I need to clear up the dishes from earlier today, wipe the countertops, get this bag taken down, clear any items over here, sweep, and give it a good mopping from yesterday. So let's get started. Thank you guys so much for joining me today to watch another cleaning video. I hope that it gave you the motivation that you needed to get something done around your home. Don't forget to leave me a thumbs up. It really helps my channel, as well as hit that subscribe button to join us over here. So thank you so much. I hope you have the most amazing week. I'll see you in my next video.